Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we are gonna go for intermediate enums. So in the past video, we did enum. That was a concept-based enum, and then we go through some of the major enums like result and the option enum. So that we did, and we started with this kind of easy enums. Today we are gonna have a more complex enum. So let me create a file enum2.rs. Okay, so function main and then this. Okay, let's have a enum. Let's say enum message. Okay, enum message. Now in the message enum, I can have bit value. So this is like a user defined enum, and what the enum does is it can have many values inside it. It can have many values, but at a time it will hold only one. So this quit is not a string. It is just a value, just a constant. We can say a constant. So let's say pause. Okay. Then we can have some. Let's say we have a coordinates value as the enum value, and there we can have, let's say, two types of data it is taking. So it is a tuple type of value. Now let's have a something structure. So ID maybe, let's say, I32. I32 is just integer of 32 bytes. Then what else? The name. Let's say we have a name. It will be of string. So I'm making it a string. It does not need to be that. So let's say we are matching on this. Okay. So there is a concept of matching. Match means a variable of type message. So that's a enum, like, right? So let's say we let message is equals to message colon quit. Okay, so this message is type of message enum, and it is holding quit. So at a time it is holding only one value from the rest, that is quit, but it can hold all the values. It can have all the values, but at a time it is holding one, only one. So this is the concept of enum. Enum we have in C++ also, the the Rust enums, they can have values inside it. So it makes our means programming more what we can say, more functional. We can do many functionalities with this, and I am gonna say that this Rust uses heavily this enum concept. So everything you will see, the libraries, that is the create in Rust. Every implementation, every structure, every function is gonna have like a function will be returning a value in result. So result is a like success of area. So it returns okay of some value, okay of a value, okay of so it's okay of value or none. So that is what it is. Okay of value or error it is. Sorry. So the option actually returns option, some and none. Okay. So let's have this. So let's match this. So match what? Match message. So it can have message colon quit. Let's say if it is quit, we can do various operations, but for simplicity, I am just printing here. So quit, okay, and we need to separate it with comma. No need to use the semicolon here. Println, okay. So pause, and then again comma, and let's say we are having something like this coordinates. If it is coordinate, if this message is a coordinates, let's say it is having m comma n, then we can print ln, let's say do this more informative. N equals, this is how you print in Rust. m comma m. Okay, then comma, then message. Let's say it is a structure type. So it's a user. So ID, let's say it is having something ID as let's say n, and it is having name as s. Okay, so we're gonna println name ID equals this and name equals this. Then we can have ID that is n, and we can have the name that is s. Now this is the kind of matching we do, and let's save it and run it. Cd option underscore rust. Not correct. Cd option underscore also. That's result, not rust. Result. Okay. Then we run this file as cargo run hyphen bin enum2 enum2 with dot is don't we not provide it. Okay, coordinates, after coordinates I didn't give a comma. Okay, and let's again save it and run this. Okay, you got it. Okay, let's create lots of things here. uh, let's say let message one is equals to message colon let's say user it is, and we can have id as 101 comma name as John. So this John is this string is just a string literal. So to convert into string, we need to use dot to string. This is how you do in Rust. So this is a type string, so, but this double quotes and something inside it is not a string. Okay, it's not a string. So we need to use two string method. So let's match this message one now. Let's see what we see. Save and then run. Okay, we got name equals 101. So this is how you do. So we can have a calculator, like we can have a calculator in them, and in that, what can you have? You can have add, you can have subtract, you can have multiplication, you can have division, and various other things, and you can also you use it like a tuple. So it will taking let's say I32 two values and adding them, and you when you are matching, you what will you do? You will just do something like this message. Let's say it is, let's say um, I do it in message only for just showing you. This also we can have. So this extends the functionality of our Rust. So let's say we are having multiplying. Okay, multiply mult, and it is taking two variables of integer 32 bits. Then let's say we are matching here. So message mult, and it is having a comma b. You just println the multiplication. What is the multiplication? The multiplication is a multiplied by b. Okay, let's save it and have something like this. Let message 2 equals message mult, and we are passing, let's say, 2 comma 10. Okay, now it will be semicolon. Save it, run it. And what did we get? Okay, message. Okay, we need to match message to here. So let's match it and fire the run. Okay, then multiplication 20. So this is how we use enums in Rust. Thank you.